Back with another sneaker unboxing, and yeah, as the title says, these are the Yeezy Foam Runners in the Onyx colorway, and shipping was crazy on these. I ordered these, or I got the dub. I hit on these, I think Tuesday or Wednesday, and they showed up Friday. So super quick. They shipped out I think like LA or something. I live close to Phoenix, so that explains why it was so quick. But very, very fast shipping. You know, I'm very happy with that. And I've been trying to hit these for a long time. Like, let me be clear. I probably tried for like 10 pairs of these, and this is the first one that I got, obviously. There's actually another one that expires, today's the 11th. It actually expires today, so maybe I got those. They're like the sand color. Let me check. I think it should already have the results, maybe. I don't know. I really doubt that I got those. That'd be crazy. But how did I get these? You go onto the Confirmed Adidas app. You download that. And then you can go up into shop and then go over to soon, and the stuff that's dropping shows up there. I'm not seeing the other ones I entered for, but anyway, I hit on these. This is what the video is about. They were $90, and then I think they have free shipping, and then on top of that, you have tax that you have to pay as well. So the total was like $98 and some change. But for some Yeezys, and just, you know, hyped shoes in general, $90 is definitely not bad. That being said, you know, when you look at what they actually are, what it's made out of, it's you know, they're definitely making enough money. So let's look at the presentation. How's this looking? As you guys can see, it's literally just a plain cardboard box, no paint, no like dyes or anything, just straight up plain ass cardboard. From the outside, definitely not as exciting or visually appealing as some of the other sneakers we have unboxed, especially like the Reebok boxes. We get the Flintstones stuff. We also had the Ghostbusters. Really cool packaging on the outside. This side just as minimal as it can be. But when you open it up and you get on the inside, there is some branding, some stuff going on. These are the Foam Runners. You have foam right here, obviously, and then it says runner down here. And the actual name of it is like RNR, like it says down there. But let me get these sneakers, shoes, slip-ons. I don't know what to call these. I wouldn't really say sneakers because I don't know. Look at them. They're slip-ons, similar to like a Croc, but more of a shoe, more of like a full slip-on rather than like a sandal, I guess. I don't know. This is what it looks like. They look absolutely wild. Let me get the other one out too, so I can show you guys the bottom of the box there, which hopefully you guys can see. But yeah, Foam and Runner down there. You guys can see that. Still not that exciting, but Kanye kind of goes for like minimalistic stuff on the Yeezys. I believe like the 350s and things like that just have like 350, like 300, stuff like that on the outside of the box. So not too exciting, but I don't know. It doesn't matter too much to me. I feel good because I don't mind throwing that away. But when I get something like the Reebok boxes, I'm like, ooh, I gotta keep this, and then it just makes a pain for having to figure out where to store all these massive boxes. But here are the Foam Runners, and like I said, they look insane. These look absolutely ridiculous. It's very cool though, so futuristic. It honestly really reminds me of like General Zod from Superman, and some of the kind of like aesthetic that they had going on with that stuff. I feel like this isn't far off from something you'd see them wearing, but obviously, it wouldn't be like a shoe version or a slip-on version, a sandal-esque version, Croc type thing. You'd probably get more of a boot in a similar fashion. But there's a lot of interesting things going on here. We have a whole lot of ventilation. And obviously, you can see we got all these holes on the bottom, easy to see. But when you get to the top, this is probably like the most interesting part that I noticed when I tried them on. This is like very thick. So yeah, there's room for your foot in here, but this is like that thick. and then there are just these big vents that go all the way down through there. So I thought that was interesting. At first when I looked at it, I was like, damn, there's gonna be like so much room for my toes. The piggies are gonna get to roam down there. But yeah, it is like 1.5 inches thick probably. But yeah, really, really bizarre, interesting silhouette. It's cool that they're only $90, being such a unique like designer sneaker. These are my first pair of Yeezys. I'm keeping these for myself. I did get the Blush 500s a while back, but I resold those, which I really liked those, but I've never really been a huge fan of the like knit Yeezys. The bottom is also very, I don't know, aggressive. I don't know if I'd say aggressive. Like, it's kind of chill how smooth it is, but there's also a lot of like detailing or like texture going on, maybe is the better way to put it. We have this whole like ripple fingerprint kind of looking sole or tread on the bottom of the sole. And then we also have these portions where we get little dips going on here, here, here. And this is like an actual hole, not a hole, but a deeper divot. And then same on the heel, you have this kind of like oval that dips in quite a bit. Whereas these are almost more like indentations. These are big craters in the sole. So there's that. And then on the inside, you have this kind of like grid, almost like diamond style pattern going on. I'll try to get close-ups for all this to throw up while I'm talking about it, but very comfortable shoe, very comfortable. As far as sizing goes, when you order them, they say size up at least one size because they run small. So I usually wear an 11. I went with a 12 and they fit fine. You know, they're lightweight, they hug to your foot, so unless you're getting something that's like way oversized, I wouldn't really worry about them falling off. But yeah, these are dope, and I'm really hyped to have gotten a pair. Like I said, I had tried for maybe 10 total, somewhere around there, like 8 to 10 probably, and I finally hit on this. Actually, when I got the notification for it, I was sitting next to my brother, and I looked down, and I was like, oh man, and he looked down too, and I was like, looks like I didn't get them. And he's like, what do you mean? It says you were selected instead of you weren't selected. When I looked down, I originally thought it was like, you weren't selected. I was like, another L. Just so used to it for confirmed and then also sneakers. But I was happy to see that I actually got these, and I'm gonna be adding these to the collection. That's all I've got for you guys though. I hope you found this helpful or enjoyed the video, and good luck if you're going for these. They're definitely a good warm weather shoe, maybe for aquatics as well, but I will definitely be wearing them a lot. Like I said, right now I live in the Phoenix area where today has a high of 113 degrees, so this will let my feet breathe. But as always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.